It's summertime. We have lemons, we have spaghetti. Let's make spaghetti al limone. This creamy, light, and refreshing summertime pasta recipe originated in the southern Italian regions of Campania, along the Amalfi Coast and in Sicily, where the weather is perfect for growing some of the best lemons. Although I love me some hot pasta dishes like lasagna and baked ziti, but in the hot summer months I'm a little less inspired to cook them. So pasta al limone is going to fulfill my need for pasta. For this recipe I'm going to need 1 to 2 lemons, zested and juiced. 8 ounces or about 4 ounces per person of a good spaghetti made from semolina. Lots of pecorino romano cheese, finely grated. Parmigiano Reggiano will also work well here. And I'm adding fresh basil straight from my indoor home gardens. First, let's bring the water to a boil. Add in a good tablespoon of sea salt. This will help flavor the spaghetti too. Add in the spaghetti and stir so they don't stick together. Make sure to undercook the pasta about 2 minutes from what the package states for al dente, because it's going to continue to cook in our sauce a little later. To make the sauce, get a large skillet over medium to high heat. Add in about 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I place 2 halves of the lemon that I squeezed earlier face down and just move them around in the butter and oils so that we're adding even more lemon flavor to the oil. Now dump the lemon zest in there too and about a handful of chopped basil leaves. And although not traditional, I added 1 clove of minced garlic. Only let it cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. When it gets fragrant, you know it's done. Let's remove the lemon halves and get the spaghetti in the sauce. Get a generous amount of grated pecorino romano cheese in there. Pour in the lemon juice and about a cup of the pasta water. It's going to help melt down the cheese and create a nice creamy sauce. When I stir it, you can see the sauce coming together, becoming glossy and silky. And if you're brave enough, give the spaghetti and the sauce a few tosses. This will really bring the sauce together. Take a look how creamy it is, and without using any cream at all. Now to finish it up, add in another handful of basil and let's get it onto a plate. Just get a couple of mounds of pasta on this plate, some fresh ground black pepper, then sprinkle it with more pecorino romano cheese, and if you like, add a drizzle of olive oil. Finally, spoon a little more of that sauce over the top, and adding a fresh sprig of basil to complete the look. This creamy lemon spaghetti recipe was easy and quick to pull together, making it a perfect fit for the summer season. And the taste is fantastic, fresh, and delicious. Oh, you get that saltiness from the cheese. The lemon flavor just pops here. This is fantastic. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more recipes just like this.